Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can change order status in Prestashop. So when you're going to be in orders and you're just going to click on order, and here like I guess this awaiting check payment, I will click on it. Then I'm going to sit here and then you can like update the status, and you can choose like which one you actually want from here, like waiting capture, paper document, partial refund, payment error, and you just simply update the status and voila. Here how you got it. It's pretty simple and pretty easy. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.